Good day, dear students. Welcome to our English lesson. I hope you are feeling good and ready to start our lesson. The topic of our lesson is the two giants. In this lesson, you will learn new vocabulary, improve reading skills, use linkers, and practice and do exercises. At first, let's listen to the music extract. Well, pupils, let's answer the question. What musical instrument is it? Yes, you are right. It's our national instrument, dobra. The dobra is a musical instrument and a national symbol of Kazakhstan. It has got a wooden body, a long neck, and two strings. People use it to play traditional Kazakh music. The dobra is thousands of years old, but no one is sure exactly where it comes from. Kazakhs tell a myth about its creation. And the person who plays this fantastical music instrument is called kuyushi. Before watching a video, let's check new words. Instrument: wood, neck, string, bridge, cross, silly, smash, rock, shape, surface. Now let's watch a video.
The Two Giants. Two giants lived in the Altai Mountains in Kazakhstan. They were brothers. The younger brother loved music and singing, so one day he made himself an instrument out of wood. He gave it a long neck and two strings. He played his new instrument all day and sang. It made him very happy. The older brother didn't like music. He wanted to be famous. He decided to build an enormous stone bridge across the big river. It was a fast and dangerous river, and no one could cross it. My bridge can make me famous, he thought. So he started to build. It was hard work, but he was strong. He carried many heavy stones from the mountain to the river. But his younger brother didn't help him. He didn't want to be famous. He only wanted to play his instrument and sing. The older brother became very angry. "You never help me," he shouted. "You only play your silly music all day long." He got the instrument from his brother's hands and smashed it against a rock. He hit the rock so hard that you could see the instrument's shape on the surface. The beautiful instrument broke. The younger brother was so sad that he never played music or sang again. Years passed, until one day, some people found the shape on the rock. They used it to make a musical instrument. They called it a dombra, and they used it to play the wonderful music of the steppe.
Students, You should read this text yourself. Take your time. Well, students, let's do task number 1. Who did these actions? The younger brother or the older one? You should write the capital letters of the words. Well, pupils, let's check our answers. Who loved music? The younger brother. Who was very strong? The older brother. Who wanted to be famous? The older. Who spent all day singing? The younger brother. Who made a musical instrument? The younger brother. Who wanted to build a bridge? The older brother. Our grammar theme is linkers. What is the linker? Linker joins sentences and makes stories easier to read. We use linkers and, but, and because. When we use and, we use and to join the sentences together. For example, I live in Kazakhstan and I enjoy Dobra music. We use but to introduce a different idea. I play the Dobra, but I don't know where the means about it. We use because to show the reason for something. He wants to buy a Dobra because he wants to have lessons. And the last, we use so to show the result of something. For example, Dobra music makes me happy, so I listen to it when I feel sad. Task number 2. Join the sentences using the linkers and, but, because, so. Be attentive. Good job. Let's check. The younger brother loved his instrument, so he played it all day. The older brother broke the instrument because he was angry. The older brother wanted to be famous, but his younger brother didn't. The giants were brothers and they lived in the mountains. So pupils, let's check our progress. Try to say or write what can you do. For example, I can talk about the myths, the two giants. I know how to read for specific information. Or I understand how to use linkers correctly. Okay, boys and girls, our lesson is over. You were so active today. Thank you very much. Goodbye.